my name's Janine Weightman. I'm the founder of Knovolution. I'm based in Blythe, where I live, near the beach, and my business is located in Seaton Delaval. My focus is on helping businesses to develop their capability, and I do it through a few different approaches, mainly knowledge management. It was a range of support that I received from Digital Pathfinders. It was absolutely fantastic, right from sort of invitations to workshops, sort of newsletter information was good, and then I discovered the more in-depth service where you got the 12-hour support, and that was just a game changer for me. Normally when I'm talking to other businesses and other consultants like me who are saying, "Oh Janine, you look like you've got this nailed, how did you do that?" Digital Pathfinders always comes up in that conversation. I think the time that the staff took to understand me and my business, one, I think it was a very humbling experience for me to have somebody's time for that long, thoroughly dedicated to me and my little mission, and then they were able to give me advice based on my circumstances. So I think this very tailored personal support, it just meant that all of the actions that I then took after the advice, they were right for me, and it saved me a lot of time and hassle. So yes, 100% I recommend Digital Pathfinders. This journey, it seems to be a longer term relationship with the team because it connects you into this network that then leads you onto further events. So I think it's very much part of my growth journey, being with Digital Pathfinders and having that support in the wing. It does help me sleep at night a lot better.